Bagong bull yung suot.
Putik! Start na ba? Naka-video na. Naka-video? Naka-video.
Nakaba ko dyan,
Hindi.
Hindi?
Hindi. Hindi ka kita eh. Doon ka kung gusto mo makita.
Condition si Clearing.
Doon ka kung gusto mo makita.
Si ano? Si Antagin yung kalbo na.
Uy!
Si Clearing niya. Yung hindi, may buntot.
Ayun, okay. Nakita ka na.
Sabi mo mag-graduate. Parang kung boy. Kaso ulit ulit. Let's go. Pass to Clearing. Take it free. Pass. Free.
Hey!
By Clearing.
Superman! Uy, hawakan mo to!
Rebound by Chuckley. Intercepted by Ortega. Pass to Mikey. Mikey long two. Wala. Rebound by Ortega. 2 points by
Relax
Ortega.
naman lang yun o.
3-2.
Papola. Ilo. Da? Papola na.
15 seconds to shoot. Intercepted. Pass to Idol. Long two. Wala. Rebound by. Two points by Clearing. Wala, rebound by number 15. Long two, wala, rebound by number 3. Pass to Mikey. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Pass to Jose, taking 3. Rebound by. Labas. Uy, Madaya, labas. Jero Madaya. Si Jero Madaya. Nagubat na ng tabi si Clearing. Super Saiyan number 5. Take 3. Magday.
Ganun siya.
Easy layup by Magday. 7-2. In favor of Team Benoy. 2 points by Jose. 4-7. Sir Levy.
Dubudo!
Wala. Rebound by Clearing. Pass to Magday.
Bilis!
Behind the pass. Jero. Out of bounds. Same ball. 15 seconds to shoot.
No. Di alam ko sa labasan na. Dito yung labasan. Pagka dumilit yung bola.
10 seconds to shoot. 2 points by Chuckley from
Chakli ka mo. Uy, putik nagalaw. Nagalaw kasi.
Perimeter shot, 2 points.
Okay.
6-9.
Uy!
Intercepted by Ortega. Ortega, pass to Jose, taking 3. Wala, rebound by. Out of bounds.
Ganito lang yan. Putik na nga.
Six, 9. Magday, 2 points.
Ikaw nga muna. Ikaw muna, bilis.
11-6. Intercepted by Chuckley. Pass to Sir Levy. To Chuckley, taking 3. Wala, rebound by. Nepomuceno.
Bakal!
To Jose,
Bakal!
taking 3. Wala, rebound by. Number 15. Take 2 points by number 15. 8-11. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points by Jero. Nepomuceno. 8-13. 5-point lead. Take. Perimeter shot, 2 points. 10-13. 3-point lead by Team Benoy. 2 points by Magday. 15-10. Rebound by Benoy. 10 minutes and 26 seconds. $17-10. 10 minutes. Kayo wala. Taking 3 pounds. 3 points. 13-17. 2 points. 19-13. 9 minutes and 53 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Taking 3. Wala. Limon 5. Joseph. Pass to Kuya. 2 points. 15-19. Out of bounds. Magday. Pass to Levy. Intercepted by Jehu. Joseph. Taking 3. Wala. Limon 5. Chakli Kama. Intercepted. Yes. 2 points by 21-15.
Oh,
2 points. 17-21. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. So 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points by Magday. 23-17. Out of bounds. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Step back 3. Wala. Rebound 5. Mikey. Pass to Joseph. Taking 3 pounds. 20-23. 3-point lead by Team Chakli. 2 points.
Butik nakakahilo. Yung ginawa, nakakahilo.
2 points.
Nakakahilo yung ginawa.
22-25.
Nakakahilo.
3-point lead by Team Benoy.
Ush! Buchus! Oh.
Good ball, good ball, good ball. Wala, di ba by Jen? 7 minutes and 20. Wala. What a dribble by. Pass to Mikey. 2 points. 1 point lead, 24-25. Last shot before change.
Patay.
2 points. 24-27. In favor of Team Benoy.
Okay. Okay. Huwag mo nagalawin.
Wow. Counted na yun, counted na. Change, di ba? Labas, labas. Di ba boss, di pag-change, counted na, pag-counted na. 26-27. Isa.
Isa lang?
Ah.
Yun na lang kami.
Walk the paint by Kilirin. Limon by Ortega. Taking 3. Wala, Limon by Chakli Kama. 28-30, 2-point lead. Taking 3. Bam! 33-28. Taking 3 again. Bam! 31-33. 2 points.
Patay kita.
35-31. Jose, taking 3. Wala, rebound by. Mikey. 2 points. 33-35. 5 minutes exacto. Taking 3. Wala, rebound by. Fade away shot, rebound by. Okay. Wow. Score 33-35. 2-point lead by Team Benoy.
Ano yung mga score?
Chocolate, pass to Benoy. 2 points by Benoy. 37-33. 37-33. Sila. 4 minutes and 15. 2 points. 2-point lead. 35-37. Musera, taking 3. Wala, rebound by Joseph. 2 points. Dead ball, all 37. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. 20 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. Bam! 3 points. Wala. Number 15. Out of bounds. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. 3. Bading! Number 15. 2 points. 1 point lead. Kabila, labang. Nakatrace kanina si Man, ano? Magsulit. 43-39.
Hoy, nakapuso. Labas.
Bola!
Sabi labas.
Oh, Tanates. 43-39. Lamang sila Benoy. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound by number 15. Rebound ulit. 2 points. 2-point lead. 2 points. 45-41. 12-point lead. Intercepted by Chaku. 1 minute and 57 seconds. Parang tanga. 2 points. 47. Parang tanga yun ah. Galing ang mood mo, boss. 1 minute and 39 seconds.
Sa likod.
Parang nakakuha ng Dragon Ball.
Sabi ng bola. Gusto ko magano. Gusto ko malinis.
6-point lead, taking 3. Bang! 44-47. Side step to Jeru. Wala, limon by. Magtay. Limon by magtay pa rin. Rebound D. Rebound D Jose. Spin move. 2 points. 1 point lead, 47-46. 3-point lead. Good. 1 minute remaining. To Chocolate. Pass to Jeru. Taking 3. Wala, di Magday sa 11. Pass to Magday. Wala. Rebound by Magday again. Reverse, rebound by Benoy. Out of bounds.
Ay, huwag mo galawin. Ayan,
30 seconds remaining. Wala.
Dapat kanina. Alam mo, 6-7. Alam mo,
19 seconds remaining.
Alam mo,
14 seconds to shoot.
6-7. Alam mo? Mamaya, tignan natin yung oras.
15 seconds to shoot.
Nakabutas na ano.
7 seconds. Final score. 51.